blissful morning, Benny the bunny woke up feeling excited to play outside. But suddenly, tiny raindrops began to fall from the sky. Benny looked outside and sighed sadly. He really wanted a sunny day. Suddenly, splash! A tiny green frog jumped into a muddy puddle and started dancing happily in the rain. Benny watched carefully for a moment and then started to giggle. Maybe rain wasn't so bad after all. The little bunny quickly put on his bright yellow rain boots and rushed outside. Splash, splash, splash! Benny jumped into puddles, twirled around in the rain, and laughed louder than ever before. The frog danced beside him while cool rain fell all around the village. Soon, the dark clouds slowly moved away, and a beautiful rainbow appeared across the sky. Benny smiled brightly as he looked at the colourful rainbow above him. And from that day on, Benny learned something special. Sometimes the happiest adventures come on rainy days.